You might know by now that when we describe a noun in Samoan, we say the noun and then the word that describes the noun comes after it, opposite of English. Blue bus would be bus blue or basi lanu moana. And of course, to make it a full statement, we'd add our O noun tense marker in the beginning. And since it's a singular specific bus, we say le, like the, o le pasi lanu moana. But what if we wanted to say the bus is blue? When all else fails, go back to the tense, action, subject format to create sentences in Samoan. So you might be like, I don't see an action in this statement. Description words in Samoan, when they're not connected to the word that they describe, is stated as an action. So it's going to take on an action tense marker. Was blue, is blue, will be blue. So to say the bus is blue, using the tense action subject style, we say blue is the bus. Present tense marker e, our description, which serves as the action lanu moana or blue, and then the bus is olipasi. But now we don't need the o now tense marker because the e is the tense for the entire statement. So, e lanu moana le pasi.